Hello, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to make a Pakistani dish. We call this dish is Karahi. I'm supposed to say Karachi, but it's Karahi, chicken Karahi. All right, I don't want to make you confused. Okay, this is all the ingredients that I'm going to use. That chicken, I already marinated that last night. I have a video for that, what I put on my chicken. And this is some of the ingredients. I like my chicken marinated because, you know, that's the secret. You get more taste on your meat if you marinate it overnight. Alright. Okay, first we need to marinate the chicken. So this is the minced garlic. One tablespoon of paprika. 2 tablespoons. Not 2 tablespoons. 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. And 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Black pepper won't come out. And 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. And 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. What the heck? The big one there. Ah, another big one. What the heck? There you go. And 1/2 teaspoon of chicken powder. And 3 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of yogurt. This is a plain yogurt, and then we marinate this for overnight. I don't know how to talk today. Just tired, you know. Sorry guys, I'm extremely tired today. Alright, we mix that well. This is supposed to be a chicken Thai Karahi. It's a Pakistan dish, but I want my chicken marinate overnight. That way to get more taste. this should be enough, and then let's put this in the fridge for overnight marinade. Okie dokie. Okay, first we need to brown the chicken. Just put like 1 tablespoon of oil for now. If we need a little bit later, so just add it. I like my chicken a little bit brown. I just continue cooking later. So just put your fire on a high, that way the chicken will brown right away. You can just do like 4 minutes of each side. Okay. Alright, I think this should be enough. Just put your chicken on the side for now, and we're gonna do the rest. Now lower the fire for now. We're gonna add butter in this one. Okay, we just 1 tablespoon of butter, or half tablespoon. Then we'll add the garlic. Just let your garlic brown. these are the onion. Just wait until golden brown, the onion. Now let's add the ginger. And tomato. Now let's add all the ingredients. Just mix it. Now let's add all the chicken there. And let's simmer this like 5 minutes. Are you guys ready for holiday? Well, I put up my Christmas tree. I have a video. I'm undecided if I share it with you guys or what. A little bit shy on my video, so I'm undecided. Alright, so this is the first year that I don't have anything under on my tree because of this pandemic. You're all affected. I'm poor this year. Well, all my families understand that. So when it starts like watery, juicy, put your fire on high. That way the sauce will reduce and don't cover the pan. Now you can adjust your. See that it's going a little bit burned up on the bottom. Not burned up. You can adjust your salt. Or you can put more, whatever you want to put, like black pepper. If you like a little bit spicy. Okay. Few more minutes. Now let's add the chili. And some of this cilantro. I didn't cut small the cilantro. So now you can turn it off your fire and leave it like that, like 1 minute, 2 minutes. Okay, my chicken karahi is done. Ready to serve. This one I kill a lot of rice again. Okay guys, here is my chicken karahi, Pakistani dish. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video, and I'll see you next time. Or also you can share with your friends and your family. Okie dokie, see ya. Okay, let's try the chicken karahi. Chicken Karachi. it's a Karahi, not Karachi. I'm just playing. It's actually good. Really good. I definitely cook this again. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. See that? I have rice at it. Mmm. It's yummy. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and thank you all to all vloggers who subscribe my channel. Thank you guys, and I did also subscribe back your channel. Thank you so much.